Hello again. We just got confirmation that kids and my wife's office will be closed Wednesday and Thursday. As of now, no update from my work. It all depends on the weather. We are prepared and ready for by taking down outdoor decors and securing things. We are good to go. It's going to be a 5D experience.